Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online session. Dear, we have already begun our next second one prose, that is the sound of music, and there we have seen some part, or we have completed some previous or some paragraphs of the part 1. Evelyn Glennie listens to music without hearing it. So today we are going to continue the last one part of the first one part, okay, that is of Evelyn Glennie. Look at there, para number 7. Okay, up to here we have completed some part of para 7 also, but let's begin this with para 7. So as for music, look at there, she explains when her interview was taken, when she became the world famous percussionist, the most sought after percussionist. An interview was organized, an interview was taken, and there in her interview she explains what is music for her. What is music for her? And there she said, as for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. Look at there, how she feels music. She explains there in para 7, saying that it pours, it means music, the sounds and vibrations of music. Music pours in means enters in her body or in her mind, or we can say through every part of her body, through every part. उसके बॉडी के हर एक पार्ट से म्यूजिक उसको फील होती है, सेंस होती है. म्यूजिक पोर्स इन थ्रू एवरी पार्ट ऑफ हर बॉडी. It tingles, it means again music tingles causes a slight pricking on stinging sensation. मतलब tingles मतलब गुदगुदी करना, tingles कुछ चुभोने जैसी. So it tingles, गुदगुदी करता है in the skin में, my cheekbones, even in my hair. Means every part of her body sense music. हर एक उसके बॉडी का पार्ट, every part of her body senses music, and that's why there she said music pours in through every part of her body. When she plays the xylophone, look at there, she explains how she feels music. वो कैसे म्यूजिक सुनती है या कैसे फील होता है. Look at this, she explains, इस पैरा में टोटल एक्सप्लेन किया है कि how she feels music, how she listens to music, म्यूजिक को कैसे सुनती है वो. So when she plays the xylophone, जब वो xylophone बजाती है, प्ले करती है, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. Look at that, when she plays xylophone, what happens? The sound of xylophone passes up the stick and into her fingertips, and through that fingertips she senses music. उस अपने फिंगर टिप्स से जो स्टिक के द्वारा पास होते हैं, she senses music while playing xylophone by leaning against the drums. अब ड्रम्स के बारे में बता रहे कि how she feels the different beats, different notes of drums. There she says by leaning against the drums. lean ढेलना, टेलना, मतलब ड्रम्स के अगेंस्ट जब वो ढेलती है या टेकती है उनको, she can feel the resonances, that means echoes of sounds, vibrations of sound or echoes of sounds, resonance flowing into her body. She could sense, she could feel, वो फील करती है by leaning against the drums. Okay, मतलब ड्रम्स की साउंड को कैसे फील करती है? by leaning against it. xylophone के साउंड को कैसे सेंस करती है? that sound passes up to the sticks into her fingertips, means by fingertips. फिंगर टिप्स के द्वारा वो जाइलोफोन के साउंड को फील करती है, ड्रम्स को बाय लीनिंग अगेंस्ट देम. सो लुक एट देयर, एवरी पार्ट ऑफ हर बॉडी फील्स म्यूजिक. ऑन अ वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म, अब देखो वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्या होता है. ऑन अ वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म सी रिमूव्स हर शूज, अपने शूज निकाल देती हो. सी रिमूव्स हर शूज. व्हाई? ताकि, सो दैट द वाइब्रेशंस पास थ्रू हर बेयर फीट अप टू हर लेग्स. यस, मीन्स हर लेग्स, इवन हर लेग्स, हर फीट also feels sound and vibrations of music. And that's why there she said every part of her body, means music pours in through every part of her body, her feet, her legs, her hair, her cheekbones, fingertips, every part of her body. So this is explanation of how does Evelyn listen music. Okay, so this whole para is the answer to this question. Okay, then look at there in the 8th, what is given there. Not surprisingly, did you understand the first that 7th para? It is about how does she listen. Or look at the question is already there in your book. How does Evelyn hear music? How does Evelyn hear music? The question, the answer to this question is that whole para 7. Okay, she listens music through every part of her body, and explanation is there. Yes, even her hair, her cheekbones, then what is it? The feet, the legs, and fingertips, every part of her body. Okay, and so you can write it in a detail. Okay, then next one, not surprisingly. अब ज़्यादा सरप्राइज भी नहीं हो पाओगे. नॉट सरप्राइजिंगली Evelyn delights her audiences. And look at there in the 8th, what does it say? The 8th para is about the Miss, what do you say? The beauty of her performance, And there in the 8th para, it says that no one was surprised. कोई सरप्राइज नहीं रहता to enjoy, to get delighted while watching her performance. And that's why here says not surprisingly. कोई ये सरप्राइज वाली बात नहीं थी, because every time, whenever, whatever, where she plays. Whenever, whatever, wherever she plays instruments, the audience get delighted. The audience gets delighted, and that's why here that word is mentioned, that phrase is mentioned there. Not surprisingly means it is not a new or not surprising to say that the audience, or she delighted her audience, or audience gets delighted. It is not surprising to say that. ये कोई सरप्राइजिंग, क्योंकि हर बार जो भी ऑडियंस उसको सुनती थी, हर कोई डिलाइट होता था, खुश होता था, हैप्पी होता था. एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज मेंशन देयर, नॉट सरप्राइजिंगली. ये कोई सरप्राइज नहीं होगा टू से दैट द ऑडियंस, और सी डिलाइटेड हर ऑडियंस, और सी डिलाइट्स हर ऑडियंसेस, अपनी ऑडियंसेस को डिलाइट करती है. In 1991 means actually it is talking about the beauty of her performance. उसका परफॉर्मेंस इतना इम्प्रेसिव होता था कि everyone was getting impressed, हर कोई इम्प्रेस होता था and delighted. In 1991 देखो क्या हुआ. in 1991 she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Look at the award in 1991 she got. 1991 में जो उसे जो अवार्ड मिला था, द लिस्ट इज गिवन देयर. इन 1991 शी वाज प्रेजेंटेड विद मींस शी वाज अवार्डेड विद, उसको अवार्ड दिया गया. कौन सा? द रॉयल फिलहार्मोनिक सोसाइटीज. रॉयल फिलहार्मोनिक की जो सोसाइटी है इंग्लैंड की, शी गॉट देयर प्रेस्टिजियस सोलोइस्ट ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड. सोलोइस्ट, as we have seen, after some time she started, at the beginning she started playing with her youth orchestra, but after some time she started giving her solo performances, and then she continued it for many years, and she was awarded with the prestigious Soloist of the Year award by the Royal Philharmonic Society. रॉयल फिलहारमोनिक सोसाइटी, ये सबसे बड़ी बहुत बड़ी सोसाइटी है और इसका अवार्ड मिलना है बहुत बड़ी बात है इन इंग्लैंड। देन सेज मास्टर परक्यूशनिस्ट, सेज मास्टर परक्यूशनिस्ट, एक मास्टर है जो परक्यूशनिस्ट में मतलब और एक है और फेमस है, कौन? जेम्स ब्लेड्स। अंडरलाइन दिस, प्रीवियसली वी हैव सीन रॉन फॉब्स who guided her, who showed her right path, yes, how to feel music as he spotted her potential. And here this is another well-known personality, James Blade, the renowned percussionist और master percussionist। ये भी एक master percussionist है और जिन्होंने क्या कहा है? God may have taken her hearing, and this part we have already done in the introduction of this biography। इस बायोग्राफी को बिगिन करते समय इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर में ही ऑलरेडी हम देख चुके थे ये कि व्हाट जेम्स ब्लेड हैड सेड, कि जेम्स ब्लेड ने क्या कहा है। जेम्स ब्लेड ने कहा है कि गॉड में हैव टेकन हर हियरिंग, उसके सुनने की क्षमता भले गॉड ने ले चुकी है, बट ही हैज गिवन हर बैक समथिंग एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी, but God has given her something extraordinary. And look at there, a printing mistake is there. There must be capital H in he. He has given. There must be capital H. Okay, because this he, that word is referred to, or this pronoun is referred to God. Okay, and the words which are referred to God, they must be in capital letter, or this first letter must be in capital letter. So here H must be in capital letter. Do correction there in your book. Then he has given her back something extraordinary. भगवान ने उसको कुछ something extraordinary दे रखा है. Though he has taken away her hearing, but have gifted her something extraordinary thing. And what we hear, she feels. जो हम सुनते हैं वो feel करती है. Yes. Far more deeply than any of us, and she feels music far more deeply than any of us, और हम सबसे कई ज्यादा गहराई से वो फील करती है। and due to that only, and that is why और इसीलिए she expresses music so beautifully, and that's why does she play, or why does she express music so beautifully? Because she hears music, or she feels music far more deeply than of us. What we hear, she feels, and she feels it more deeply than any of us, and that's why she expresses music very, very beautifully. And these are the appreciating words of James Blade, the master percussionist James Blade. Note this down, okay? इसे नोट करना है कि whose words are these words of James Blade. Okay, so the remaining part we will do in our next video lecture. Bye bye, see you. Okay, keep watching my videos and enjoy. Bye bye.